So guys, welcome, and hear this for a second. OnePlus Nord SE 5G. OnePlus Nord SE. Yes, SE. Why do they have to take the name? I mean, there are literally a million other combinations present, but no. They have to take the one which has been massively popularized by Apple iPhones. I do understand that a lot of companies copies Apple's and Samsung's designs and looks, but guys, at least have some original names. This is no different than if OnePlus called the OnePlus 9 series as OnePlus 9 Pro and OnePlus 9 Pro Max. It could have been OnePlus Nord TI, OnePlus Nord SRT, or any one of the other million combinations of letter, but no, it's OnePlus Nord SE. Other than the name, the smartphone is actually quite good. Let me tell you details. So according to latest rumors and leaks, the OnePlus Nord SE will be the latest inclusion in the OnePlus Nord lineup. The smartphone is codenamed IBA, whatever that means, and the smartphone is likely going to launch early next year just after the OnePlus 9 series launch event. The smartphone as of now is scheduled only to launch in India. I was saying India, Europe plus India, India. So it is scheduled to launch in Europe and India, and there is no word on North American release, but it could follow soon with a slightly changed model, just like what they did with the Nord N10 and the N100. The main selling point of the new Nord SE will be its super fast charging. OnePlus has recently introduced the 65-watt charging on the OnePlus 80 series, and they are now going to implement the same technology on the OnePlus Nord SE as well, which should make it the fastest charging smartphone for the price. The OnePlus Nord SE will also have a 4500 mAh battery, which should charge from 0 to 100% in about 40 minutes using the 65-watt included charger. As for the overall hardware, we will be getting the Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. Don't know exactly what it will be, probably the upgraded version of the 765G, and also it will have an AMOLED display. Rest of the specifications are yet to be known, but it should be on par with the OnePlus Nord. So guys, these are the leaked specifications of the OnePlus Nord SE. Name aside, I really like this smartphone, and if OnePlus can keep the price low, I think this could be a massive hit, but price will be an important factor. I think OnePlus probably will discontinue the regular OnePlus Nord after the OnePlus Nord SE comes, so this is kind of a OnePlus T series for the Nord. The new OnePlus Nord SE shows that OnePlus is taking mid-range smartphones seriously once again, because they know that the Nord outsold the previous Pro smartphones. Let me know guys, what do you think about? Well, first of all, what do you think about this name, OnePlus Nord SE? And would you buy this or a OnePlus 9? Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos on the OnePlus Nord SE. Show some love guys by smashing the like button. You can also follow me on Twitter, and guys, thanks a lot for watching.